I'm supposed to eat all this?
No, not all of it. You just taste it, see what you think. But try to grab a little bit of every fruit.
Oh my god, this looks disgusting. I would never eat this. Are you sure I'm supposed to eat all this or you're just messing with me?
No, it's viral. It's a viral video. It's called Nature Cereal. It's just berries
Are
and
you
coconut.
recording me right now?
Yeah, it's just berries and coconut water.
I feel like there's a catch.
There's no cat, just honest
So look,
review.
is this everything?
Yeah. Do you think-
Man. Lord help me. God, how much spit?
Wait, you really just want to sit?